Yeah, you're good. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I haven't done one of these in so long. Here's my car. I honestly don't even remember what you guys remember it looking like, but it's all blue now. It's all done. Anyways, so yeah, that's my car. My other car though, right here she is in all her glory, but as you can see, it's a little lower on this side because I came out to the car and this happened, which is weird. It doesn't even make any sense because this wheel was fine, excuse me, and this wheel was leaking air. So like I have one that leaks air and one that's, it doesn't make any sense. I hate this car. So anyways, I have a flat tire and that means that I'm gonna have to replace the tire. But I'm not just gonna replace the tire. I'm actually replacing the wheels and the tires, which I already ordered. I'll give you a hint, they're Convertables. So look out for that coming in a future vlog. It's gonna be sick. Convertables have always been one of my dream wheels for the E36, so I'm not gonna tell you guys what color or which model I'm getting, but they're just gonna look sick, just know that. And it's gonna be super cool, it's gonna be super hot. Anyways, I guess I should explain what I'm doing today. So today I'm gonna go hang out with my friend Angel. He's got a E36. I'm also vlogging in my car because there's like people outside and I don't know, I get nervous. Anyways, so Angel has an E36 just like mine, except it's like fully modded out. It's like kind of cool. It's straight piped. It makes pops. It's awesome. So yeah, and it's low as crap. So that's pretty cool. Right now I'm gonna head over. Me and Angel are gonna grab some Chick-fil-a and then we're gonna review his car. I haven't done a cold start on the channel in so long. All my Rice Gang members. Sorry about that, got interrupted by the music. But yeah, all my Rice Gang dudes, you know what this means, so you know what's up. Anyways, I feel like when I vlog, I record so much extra crap that like no one wants to see. But I guess you guys like it, so I end up leaving it in anyways. I don't know. That's just my thoughts. Literally, why? There's another one over there too. Why? Why do you guys do that to your trucks? I don't understand it. Check this thing out, guys. This car is kawaii AF. Whoa, dude, your lip's falling off, man. What's up, dude? Hey.
What's up?
Your lip's falling off.
My what?
Your front lip fell off.
Where is it?
What's up with that?
Really bad?
No.
Oh.
Well, the corner is.
That's fine. This is Josh's fault.
You suck, Josh.
That's some hot boy shit.
That's actually sick.
I don't know where to install it.
Alright, guys. I don't know if I've ever seen this in my entire life. Have y'all ever went to Chick-fil-a? Hold up. Let me just introduce this, alright? Let me just frame this. You go to Chick-fil-a, right? And you're like, I want some sauce. And they're like, how much sauce do you want? And you're like, like, you know, 10. And they're like, we can't even do that. So then you have to buy an entire bottle of the sauce? And you're gonna use the whole thing for one sandwich?
No, I'm not using the whole thing. But I just wanted this anyway, because chicken nuggets with this, bomb as f.
But what? So you wanted to take them all home?
I'm taking this home.
If you would have got 10 though, you would have taken it home?
No, I would have just like finished it for my sandwiches.
See but how do you even eat 10?
See,
how much food do you have?
I use 5 for this.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Alright, I take forever to eat, so this fool started doing stuff to his car. Okay, that's kind of, I don't know about this.
Well,
yeah.
That's just a mock-up.
You'll have to shave it?
Yeah. So the plastic needs to be shaved, but
Can't believe
That's
that's
like more or less that's how it's gonna look like.
No, that is pretty sick. I will admit.
Or do I run that side?
Ooh. What's the other side? Oh, I like this side better.
It sticks out more, right?
Yeah, I like that better.
And then it breaks up the silver.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that.
I think that's a move. You wanna hear pop?
Alright, yeah, give me the pops. Hold on. Oh my god, it's so loud. It like hurts your ears. Alright, go drive up and down. Like it's literally so loud. Oh my. I love when it burbles, it sounds so good. Jesus Christ. Damn, my car looking good as hell. Oh, does Mustang want to race, fool? What's up, Mustang, fool? It sounds so good. Do the downshift one.
Popping as much.
Hold up. Let me out. I gotta hear that.
Why?
Because it sounds dope. Do it, make it pop right now?
Right now?
Will it? That's ear piercing. Alright guys, now I'm gonna drive. Oh. Alright Angel, tell the people what you have done to your car.
So it's a stock M3.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a stock M3. I bought it for a salvage title version.
Salvage title? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, respectable.
It's a 20 owner M3. Yeah. It's just, she's a little low.
Damn, I didn't know it was that low.
When I say low, like the frame is about 2.5 inches off the ground. Broken BMW.
Oh fuck, a Ventador, bro?
Is that a? No, that's a
Oh, it's a
Huracan.
Huracan.
That's a Huracan up
What
there.
the hell?
Go
In
get
Santa
closer,
Clarita?
sir. He's a rapper.
Yeah. Hey, you're racist, fool.
Well, he's behind the wall. Go ahead. Jesus. Jeez. I didn't know my car was this loud.
Sorry, Mr. Angel. What do you have done to this? First of all, what year?
1999.
1999 328 convertible. What do you have done to it
So
to make it sound so awesome like this? Oh, and hold on one sec. By the way, also, you know it's the M package.
Yeah. So it's a 99 M-Tech 328i convertible. It was a one-owner car when I bought it. It had what was it, 220 when I bought the car, 220 miles. And then right now I already put 6K miles on it, and I've only had the car for about 2 months. Cause I love driving.
What about the mods? The mods is what
So-
people want to know.
I have H&R springs, Coney shocks, these weird, rare German wheels, and then for exhaust, just a muffler delete.
That's it. Just to get it to pop like that?
Yep. And then I also did a short throw shifter with Roy.
You know what's up. You know what's up.
I changed the headlights to the depot headlights with the halos around it, and they're HIDs, and yeah, that's pretty much all I did to it.
So walk me around here. So these wheels, offset?
They're 17 by 7.5, I believe, plus 20, something like that. Super skinny. They really don't grip, but they're just hard to find, so that's why I got them.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Front headlights?
Yeah. So they have the halos on them.
They're not on. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
See if it'll focus. Oh, that's sick.
I can adjust everything through my phone.
Can you do it real
Like
quick?
change the color. So I can change the
Ooh,
color
okay.
to whatever color I want.
Wow, and that's just on your phone?
Yeah, it's on an app. Change the brightness.
That's so sick.
Then I can make him dance with the music as well. Like I can pick whatever music I want and it'll dance with it. I can also do like a custom pattern.
Can you
So
give us
like
a
it'll
demonstration?
like what do you mean?
Dancing one?
Well, it's copyright.
Oh, who cares? Or do like, oh yeah, it is copyright. You're right.
Yeah. And then this,
Ooh.
I can make them change color, like whatever color I want to pick them. Like they can graduate. So it's more for like if I ever want to take the car to a show
That's sick though.
type thing. Yeah.
No, that's super cool. All right, moving on. Front lip.
Yeah, it's an M3 front lip from eBay, which was $20. Don't mind the scratches.
Don't mind
She
the
was
scratches.
daily driven.
Daily driven out here.
It's a M3 front lip with a garden edging bottom lip. So it's
Whoa.
a double lip type thing.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, it's just to make it look lower.
Cause you gotta be extra low out here, guys.
Yeah, even though the car's already pretty low.
Yeah, we're literally scraping frame on every single. Not even the big speed bumps. They're like the little tiny plastic ones.
Yeah. but tire size, they're different. So the front I have 215 45s, And then the rear, so I don't rub, I have 205/40s. Here and way more thing in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
So
And that's it, right?
Yeah, and then the last owner did the M5 steering wheel. The steering wheel I have on the car is not factory, but it's an M5 steering wheel, which are like, I guess, harder to find and more expensive. I don't really care about the steering wheel because I was just gonna do quick release and all that.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
But oh well, it came with a car, so I guess I'll sell it. Someone want to buy it, hit me up. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Last thing, I'm just gonna pop the hood
Yeah.
just to see, just to show you guys. It's kind of sick, these cars, how much they pop and how good they sound with just a resonator delete. I mean, it's literally stock intake,
There's nothing done
stock
to
ECU, no tune.
Yeah.
It's sick. You literally chop off the muffler and then it does all these sick ass pops.
I haven't done an oil change, so I already put 6,000 miles on it.
Jesus. You've already done 6,000?
Yeah. You could check the cluster.
Bruh, how?
I drove it to, like, I drove this car every day. I drive this car every day, and sometimes when I went on a date, I guess, I drove it like 250 to 300 miles in one day.
Oh my god.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. She's not done yet, but she's like getting to a point where it's almost where I want it to be. But I want to change the wheels in the future. It's more of like a temporary look. That's why I didn't buy brand new tires for them.
So Conse's? Do you want to get Conse's?
No.
Conse's?
No. Some Gram lights.
Gram lights.
Yeah, maybe some 57 CRs, right?
57 CR? What about Conse's? I kind of like Conse's.
Are you hinting?
I think I...
Are you hinting?
Did I buy Conse's? An undisclosed amount of money for Conse's? I think
Jesus.
I did.
Overpriced.
Overpriced.
Oh my god.
Get out of here, fool. Alright, well guys, I think that's where I'm going to wrap up today's video with Angel's car. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. It's so windy. I'll put you this way. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe for more content like this. Like I said, I have a special video coming up. I may or may not have bought wheels for my E36, so you'll have to stay tuned to find out. Anyways, catch you guys next time. Peace out. In the high RPMs,
Yeah.
those are loud.